Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Math Talk. This channel mainly focuses on middle school math, high school math, SAT math, ACT math, rigid math, PSAT math, and GI math. Today's topic is about how to solve the absolute value equation. After you see this video, if you think the video is helpful, please subscribe my channel and give a like to my video. Now let's go to today's topic. First, what means the absolute value equation? Absolute value equation looks like this. First, give a very simple example. Okay. Looks like this way. How to solve those kind of equation? Now, I first give a very simple example. You think about, for example, if you have a equation looks like this. We know the absolute value of the probability. We know 2's absolute value equals 2. And negative 2's absolute value also equals 2. So that means, for example, for this absolute value equation, so that means x can be 2 or x can be negative 2. So that is very important. We summarize. You see, that is absolute value absolute value the expression. That's the left side. That's the right side. So within the the absolute value. So that's x can be 2 or negative 2. So we summarize how to solve the absolute value equation. Okay. Step 1. Move everything to the right side. Only leave the absolute value expression on the left side. For example, you see this this equation. On the left side, we only have the absolute value of the expression, and on the right side is 7. So that is the step 1. Okay, what is the step 2? The expression within is the absolute value can be the right side as the positive or negative. This is hard to express, but we can use this example. For example, for this one, within the absolute value is x plus 2. So that means x plus 2 can be 7 all x plus 2 can be -7. So this is the two scenario. For the the first scenario, we solve it x equal to 7 minus 2, x equals to 5. For the second scenario, we similarly solve it x equals to -7 minus 2, x equal to -9. So the final solution is x equals to 5 or x equals to -9. So that is the steps of about how to solve the absolute value equation. So move everything to the right side. Only leave the absolute value expression on the left side. Step 2 is the expression within the absolute value can be the positive of right side or negative of right side. So that is the steps about how to solve the absolute value equation. Now I give you a little bit more complex example. For example, I have the Now follow our step. We move everything except the absolute value expression to the right side. Okay. We'll move the -3x to the right side. Okay. Remember, when you move the -3x to the right side, you need to change its sign. So that will change it to the +3x. So now on the left side, we only have the absolute value expression 9x plus 2 absolute value. And on the right side, we simplify it. That is 17 plus 4x. Okay, so now you can see now on the left side we only have the absolute values expression. On the right side we have another expression. So and remember 9x plus 2 can be positive of this guy. 17 plus 4x or 9x plus 2 can be negative of this guy. Okay, so we solve it. Remember previously we teach you how to solve the one variable equation. We should move all the variable item to the left side. I solve this, so I'll move the 4x to the left side. Okay, becomes negative 4x. Similarly, I'll move the 2 to the right side. Becomes -2. Okay, that is 5x. That is 17 minus 2 is 15. Okay, both sides divide 5. So x equal to 3. That is for this scenario. For the second scenario, similarly, that is -17 minus 4x. Okay, we move the x to the left side and move the 2 to the right side. Okay, 9x plus 4x equals -17 minus 2. Remember, we move the one atom to another set, must remember change is the same. You see, negative 4x change to positive 4x, 2 change to negative 2. That is 13x, and that is 19. Both sides divided the 13, so x will equal to 19 over 13, negative 19 over 13. So that is the final solution. So just to summarize, in order to solve the absolute value equation, you must only keep the absolute value expression on the left side and move every other thing to the right side. Then the expression within the absolute value should equal to the right side is positive or right side is negative. So that is the steps about how to solve the absolute value the equation. If you remember this, you will know how to solve the absolute value equation, no matter how complex it is. Okay, so that is today's video. Thanks for watching. If you have some comments, please leave your comments. And if you have some questions you don't understand, you can also write down your question in the comment area. I will try my best to answer your question and explain to you. Thanks for your watching.